Hey guys, welcome back to Arianna's Lab. So before I begin this video, I just want to say a few things. First off, we are trying so hard to get to 100 subscribers. So if you haven't, go down right now, click subscribe, turn on your notifications, and like this video. If you do that, make sure to go into the comments and say, I subscribe, put on my notifications, and like this video, and I may give you a shout out in the next video. So without further ado, let's begin. So I know a lot of you liked and watched my hoverboarding tutorial, part 1. So it's not really a tutorial anymore. I'm going to show you some tricks on it. So you can say this is a hoverboarding tutorial, part 2. If you've never been on a hoverboard before, if you just got one and you want to learn how to do it, I'll leave a link in the description on the hoverboarding tutorial video so you can watch that and then go on to this video for some cool tricks. So let's do this. So we have our hoverboard here. It's already turned on, fully charged, so it's perfect and ready to be used. So just get on your hoverboard. And first off, we're going to do the ultra spin. So this is basically like spinning, but like you're going back and forth like this. This is one of the easiest tricks I'll be showing you today. So let me show you how to do it. So you're going to bend your knees just a little bit. You don't want to be like that, but you also don't want to be straight as a pencil. You just want to bend them like this much. Here's a side view, so you can see how much I'm bending them. Not very much at all. And then you're going to go lean forward a little bit, like this. Lean forward a little bit, then lean backwards a little bit. But you're just doing really small movements. And then you're just going to keep doing that all the way around. But if you don't know how to spin, that's like one of the easiest tricks. And if you don't know how, let me just show you how to do it now. You're just going to put for beginners, you just spin like that. But if you're a little bit like advanced with the hoverboard, what you're going to do is you're just going to move this leg to the side a little bit like that. Okay? So let's add all those together like this. That is the first trick I'll be showing you. On to the second one. Okay, so now for the second one, this is one of the easiest tricks you'll ever learn. It's the one-footed. You just go like that, okay? So, here's how you're going to do it. This part is a little advanced, but what you're going to do is you can just put one foot up, and if you're kind of just starting off, let me show you. If you're kind of just starting off, you should just put it right here. You shouldn't put it out of the air, just in case you're about to fall off or something. If it's all the way in the air, it might be harder for you to put it back down. But if it's here, it's very easy to go back on, okay? So, but I'm going to show you, that's the easy way to do it. But if you want to try a challenge, you're going to make sure that this foot is, the left foot is perfectly straight, okay? Make sure your left foot is it doesn't have to be perfectly your foot, not your leg. You can have your legs bent if you want, but you want your foot to be perfectly straight like that. Then you're going to put your hands on your knees and put one up like that. If you're really advanced, you can take this hand off and go like that, okay? So that's the next trick. And then for the last and final trick, this one is probably the easiest one, I think. It's this, you see? You're going back and forth and back and forth. It's almost like a bunch of half spins, okay? Okay? So you should probably figure out how to do this, but if you don't, you're just going to go like this, and just like you're doing the spinning motion like that. Okay? And guys, those are all the tricks for today's video. I hope you guys love this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and put on your notifications. And don't forget to tell all your friends about this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Good. Bye!